Install a wig with me using the Send Hair Products Part 2. Make sure you cut the lace in a zigzag motion and in the shape of your hairline. Apply the sand hair glue along your hairline and wait until the glue turns clear before placing the lace. Use warm air while placing lace. Seal lace using our lace adhesive spray. Put on our tension hairline bend to make sure everything is laid. Apply wax stick when styling to the fine line and tame flyaways. And bam! Your wig is laid. This wet look is achieved using Curl Activator. Shop our products range online or in store.